Dunkin Donuts. The name alone conjures images of sweet treats and morning coffee. It's a brand that has become synonymous with starting the day right, offering a comforting routine for millions of people. From the first sip of their signature coffee to the last bite of a delicious donut, Dunkin Donuts has crafted an experience that many can't imagine living without. But have you ever wondered how those millions of donuts come to life? It's not just about mixing ingredients and frying dough. There's an entire world behind the scenes, a world filled with innovation, technology, and a passion for perfection. It's a fascinating journey from factory to box, a symphony of precision and flavor. Each donut starts as a simple mixture of flour, sugar, and other ingredients, but through a meticulous process, it transforms into a delightful treat that brings joy to countless people. This isn't some quaint bakery. This is a high-tech, high-volume operation designed to meet the demands of a nation that loves its donuts. The scale of production is staggering, with facilities that span acres and employ hundreds of workers. This is a high-volume operation, churning out donuts with impressive efficiency. Massive mixers churn, conveyor belts whiz, and robotic arms dance with precision. Every step is carefully orchestrated to ensure consistency and quality, and robotic arms dance with precision. These machines are programmed to handle the delicate task of decorating each donut, adding the perfect amount of glaze or sprinkles. It's a blend of art and science where technology meets tradition. Get ready to step inside a world where dough transforms into delight. From the moment the dough is mixed to the final packaging, every detail is managed with care. The dough is cut and shaped, then allowed to rise to perfection before being cooked in industrial ovens. We're about to reveal the secrets behind America's favorite donut. Join us as we explore the intricate process that brings these beloved treats to life, and discover the dedication and innovation that make Dunkin Donuts a household name. Before we dive into the factory floor, let's take a quick trip back in time. Dunkin Donuts' story began in 1950 in Quincy, Massachusetts. Founder William Rosenberg opened a humble coffee and donut shop called Open Kettle. He had a simple vision: delicious coffee and fresh donuts at affordable prices. The concept was a hit. Rosenberg renamed his venture Dunkin Donuts in 1955, and the rest, as they say, is history. Today, Dunkin is a global brand, with thousands of stores in over 30 countries. Our journey begins in the heart of the factory, the mixing room. Here, giant stainless steel mixers hum with activity, transforming simple ingredients into mountains of dough. Flour, sugar, yeast, and other secret ingredients are carefully measured and combined. The dough is then transferred to a sheeting machine where it's flattened into a continuous sheet. Next, a rotary cutter punches out perfect donut rings, their centers neatly removed. The leftover dough? Don't worry, it's recycled to make more delicious donuts. Nothing goes to waste here. Now comes the moment of truth, the frying. This is where the magic happens, transforming simple dough into a delicious treat. The donut rings embark on a short but exhilarating ride on a conveyor belt, heading straight into a bath of bubbling hot oil. This journey is crucial as the oil's heat will determine the final texture and flavor of the donuts. The oil temperature is crucial, around 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Maintaining this precise temperature ensures that the donuts cook evenly and achieve that perfect golden brown color. Too hot, and the donuts will burn. The exterior will become too dark and crispy, while the inside remains undercooked. Too cool, and they'll be greasy. The dough will absorb too much oil, resulting in a heavy, unappetizing texture. Dunkin has this down to a science. Their automated systems and trained staff ensure that each donut is fried to perfection, every single time. The donuts take a dip in the oil, cooking on each side for about 45 seconds. This brief but intense frying period is just enough to cook the dough through without making it too dry or too oily. They emerge golden brown and puffed up, ready for their next transformation. The perfect donut is a balance of science and art, and it all starts with the frying process. Once out of the fryer, the donuts are ready for their final touches. Whether it's a simple glaze, a rich chocolate coating, or a sprinkle of colorful toppings, each donut is given its unique finish. The decoration process is just as important as the frying. It adds the final layer of flavor and visual appeal, making each donut not just a treat for the taste buds but also for the eyes. And finally, the moment we've all been waiting for, the first bite. The crispy exterior gives way to a soft, fluffy interior, creating a delightful contrast that makes every bite a joy. Whether enjoyed with a cup of coffee or as a standalone treat, these donuts are a testament to the perfect blend of precision and passion that goes into every batch. Fresh from the fryer, the donuts cool slightly, releasing a tempting aroma before their grand finale, the glazing. This is where they get their signature shine and irresistible flavor. Dunkin' offers a dazzling array of glazes and toppings, from classic vanilla to rich chocolate to seasonal favorites. The glazing process is truly a sight to behold. Donuts glide along a conveyor belt, passing under a waterfall of glaze. Some are then showered with colorful sprinkles, while others are filled with delicious jelly or cream. Once glazed and decorated, the donuts are cooled and inspected. Only the most perfect specimens make the cut. They're then carefully packaged in those iconic pink and orange boxes. From the factory, the donuts are whisked away in refrigerated trucks to Dunkin' stores across the country. The entire process, from mixing to delivery, takes less than 24 hours. That's how Dunkin' ensures that every donut is fresh and delicious, ready to fuel your day. While replicating the factory experience at home might be a tall order, you can still create delicious Dunkin'-inspired donuts in your own kitchen. It takes a bit of practice, but the results are well worth the effort. Start with a good yeast dough recipe. Let it rise properly. This is crucial for fluffy donuts. Fry the donuts in hot oil until golden brown, then toss them in your favorite glaze. Don't forget the sprinkles. Experiment with different flavors and toppings to create your own signature donuts. Dunkin' Donuts isn't just about donuts. It's a cultural phenomenon. From its humble beginnings in Quincy, Massachusetts in 1950, Dunkin' has grown into a global powerhouse, serving millions of customers every day. The brand has become synonymous with morning routines, quick coffee runs, and of course, those delicious donuts that we all know and love. Did you know that Dunkin' sells over 2.5 billion cups of coffee globally each year? That's right, 2.5 billion. To put that into perspective, that's nearly 7 million cups of coffee sold every single day. Whether you're grabbing a quick cup on your way to work or enjoying a leisurely coffee break with friends, Dunkin' has become a staple in the daily lives of coffee lovers around the world. That's enough to fill over 600 Olympic-sized swimming pools. Imagine diving into a pool filled with Dunkin' coffee. Now that's a caffeine boost like no other. This staggering statistic highlights just how integral Dunkin' has become in our daily routines, and how much we rely on that perfect cup of coffee to kickstart our day. And let's not forget about those celebrity endorsements. Dunkin' has captured the hearts of many famous faces, making it a beloved brand among celebrities. From movie stars to musicians, everyone seems to have a Dunkin' order that they swear by. From Ben Affleck, who is often spotted with his favorite Dunkin' coffee, to Charlize Theron, who enjoys a sweet treat from time to time, Dunkin' has become a go-to for many in the spotlight. These celebrity endorsements not only boost the brand's popularity but also reinforce its status as a cultural icon. It's the ultimate stamp of approval. When you see your favorite celebrities enjoying Dunkin', it makes you feel like you're part of something bigger, a community of Dunkin' lovers who appreciate the simple joys of a good coffee and a tasty donut. Whether you're a glazed donut purist or a Boston cream aficionado, Dunkin' has something for everyone. Their extensive menu offers a wide variety of flavors and options, ensuring that there's a perfect treat for every palate. From classic favorites to seasonal specials, Dunkin' keeps things fresh and exciting. There's no denying the enduring appeal of Dunkin' Donuts. It's a place where people come together, whether it's for a quick breakfast on the go or a leisurely catch-up with friends. The welcoming atmosphere and consistent quality make it a beloved destination for many. So next time you bite into one of those sweet treats, take a moment to appreciate the journey it took to get there. From the careful selection of ingredients to the skilled hands that crafted it, each donut is a labor of love. Take a moment to appreciate the journey it took to get there. From the careful selection of ingredients to the skilled hands that crafted it, each donut is a labor of love. And as you savor that perfect bite, remember that you're part of a global community of Dunkin' enthusiasts who share your passion for these delightful treats. So here's to Dunkin' Donuts, bringing joy, one cup and one donut at a time.